Is your LinkedIn profile ready to capture the attention of recruiters? Whether you are updating your LinkedIn profile or starting a fresh LinkedIn profile, today we are dividing into top 3 things a recruiter look for and how you can make sure your LinkedIn profile stand out. Keep in mind, normally recruiters spend just a 7-second reviewing a LinkedIn profile before deciding if they want to learn more about this profile or not. That's not a lot of time. So, how do you make sure this stay on your LinkedIn profile? I am also writing an article about 3 things recruiter look for your LinkedIn profile. First thing is your experience, achievement, headline, and your LinkedIn profile should be simple. The first thing is your experience. Recruiter look for on your LinkedIn profile, that is your job experience. Normally, recruiter want to quickly understand where you have been and what you have been done. Normally, if your profile at least one job experience getting twice or more than twice profile views as compared to that profile that have a no job experience. Now I will show you how you can add job experience in your LinkedIn profile. So first of all, you just need to open your LinkedIn profile, and after this you just need to scroll down, and now you can see that. From here you just need to click on plus sign, and then you just need to click on add position, and after this you just need to write here your job title. For example, I'm just writing here sales manager, and after this you just need to select your employment type, full-time, part-time, self-employed, freelancer. So different options are available. You can select according to your requirement. For example, I am selecting here full-time, and here you just need to mention your company name. For example, I am just mentioning here Shopinzer company, and then scroll down, and then you just need to click on location. For example, I am just selecting here the United States, and different more options are available. You can select according to your requirement. And if you are working remotely, so you just need to select here remotely, hybrid, on-site. So different options are available, so you can select all these options according to your requirement. And now from here you just need to select the start date and then ending date. You can select according to your requirement. For example, I'm just selecting here the starting date, and still I am working here. And you can also add, for example, my courses are also on the Udemy, and if I want to end the position of I am also CEO of Agile LinkedIn, so I can end this one. And description is important, because in description you can write something catchy. For example, I'm just writing here the leader of our team and launch 5 campaign, ad campaign, and result in 20% increase in sales. You can write according to your field. So in this way, recruiter catch your LinkedIn profile, because it's a good result. You are providing good result to your company. So you just need to write here in description. You can also write here the your role of job responsibility. So anything you can write here according to your requirement, according to the nature of the job. And after thing, you can also change your profile headline. For example, I'm just writing here I am just joining the sales manager job. I can also write here the sales manager job headline, and now you can see that I can remove here others headline, and I just enter here the sales manager at Shopinzer. So I can also include in my LinkedIn profile. And here is some skills, and now you can see that. For example, my job related to sales, so I just need here to write the sales skills. For example, I'm just writing here the sales manager job, and now sales management, sales and marketing, and different more skills are available. You can use according to your requirement. You can also upload up to 5 skills. For example, I'm just writing here the selling, sailors. So different more skills are available. So use solution selling. So you can add according to your requirement. And if you want to change this one from here, and if you want to remove, you just need to click on cross. In this way you can also remove the skills. And now this is a media. You can also upload the document of your jobs roles, and if you have any achievement you can also upload an achievement. If you have images, documents, presentation, anything that you have, you just need to click on add media, and after this you just need to click on save. And now you can see that sales manager experience is added in my LinkedIn profile, and now you can see that. And if you want to delete this experience, what you need to do, you just need to click on experience and then open this experience. So I want to show you again. And now after this you just need to click on pencil sign, and now from here is a button of delete experience. If you want to delete experience, you just need to click on delete experience. So in this way you can add experience in your LinkedIn profile, and if you want to delete, you just need to click on pencil button, and you can also delete experience from your LinkedIn profile. Second thing that recruiter love to see on your LinkedIn profile is your achievements. Your achievement may be completion of your project, certification, license, or any endorsement of skills. So different things can be your achievements. Your core job duties are important, but recruiter love to see how you have been gone above and beyond. What set you apart? Maybe you started an initiative, complete a project, or receive an award for excellence. These achievements tell a story beyond your day-to-day work. Now I will show you how you can add achievements in your LinkedIn profile. So first of all, you just need to open your LinkedIn profile, and then you just need to add certification license in your LinkedIn profile. If you have a certification from Google, so different companies are available, you can also add certification according to your skills. And you can also add here the projects, so recruiter will impress from your project and what kind of value you are adding in your company. And different more things like recommendation, you can also take recommendation from your clients. And you can also add here the honor and reward in your LinkedIn profile. Now I want to show you how you can add all these things from your LinkedIn profile. So first of all, you just need to open your LinkedIn profile and then just click on add section, and then just click on recommended. And here you can just need to click here add projects. You can add the projects, and if you want to add the certification, you just need to click on certification, and from here you just need to write the company name and issuing organization. Here you just need to write here the name of the certificate, company, date, issue, expiry, and you can also add here the URL of your certification license, and you can also add the skills and media. And different more things are available. For example, if you want to add here projects, you just need to click on add projects, and here you just need to write the name of the project, and here you just need to write the description, and here you just need to write the skills, media. So different things are available, and you can also have the contributor that are helping in your project, and you can also write the associated with. And now you can see you can select all those filters according to your requirement, and after this you just need to click on save. And you can also take and give recommendation to your clients or your boss. So how you do this, you just need to click on recommendation, and then you just need to click on add recommendation, and for here you just need to write the name. For example, I'm just writing here this person's name, and then just need to write here the person name, and after this you just need to click on continue, and after this you just need to select the relationship and position, and then you just need to select any personalized message that you want, and after this you just need to click on send. So in this way you can take recommendation from your client. Why LinkedIn headline is important, and how you can write perfect LinkedIn headline that will impress your target audience. A LinkedIn headline is the text that appears under your name at the top of your LinkedIn profile. It is one of the first things people will see when they will visit your LinkedIn profile. So it's important to make sure it's attractive and informative. A LinkedIn headline should describe what you do, why someone should connect with you, and how you can help them, utilizing some specific keywords in your headline that will make your LinkedIn headline more attractive and informative for your target audience. And now you can see that in my LinkedIn headline I am using different keywords, and now you can see that LinkedIn trainer and coach and LinkedIn automation expert, and I am using different keywords in my LinkedIn headline. And I just write here a formula. Now you can see that your headline will start with your current job title, and after this you should write the name of the company. And now you can see that my headline, I just write here the CEO because I am a CEO of my company, and the name of my company is Park HR LinkedIn. And after this you just need to write here the 2 or 3 keywords in headline. And now you can see that I am just writing here the different keywords after my current job title. Make sure you can write only 120 characteristics to 200 characteristics in headline, not more than this. Means you can only include 120 words to, you can see that are 200 characters in headline, not more than this. And the third step is use simple language and simple keyword. And you should test different keywords in your headline according to your skill, according to your requirements. And step number 5 is you should regularly update your headline according to your skills. And now you can see that another formula, you just need to write here the title, and after this you just need to write the name of the company and unique selling proposition. And now you can see that. I will also attach this formula in description so you will totally understand how to write a perfect LinkedIn headline. Now the question is, how do recruiters or businessmen find you? This step is very important for job seekers and freelancers. Normally when recruiters or businessmen try to find a candidate for their project, they always try to find a people with the help of keywords. And now you can see that. For example, I just need a people of QuickBook expert. And now just I write here the keyword QuickBook expert, and I just need a QuickBook expert. And after this, I just need to click on people. And now you can see that LinkedIn only show me only those profiles that right here. Now you can see that QuickBook expert in their headline. That is why LinkedIn showing me those profiles, because they are writing their keyword QuickBooks in their headline. So I want to show you one by one, and now you can see that. And from here different more filters are available if you want to select first degree, second degree and third degree connection, and you can also select here the location according to your requirement. And from here you can also select the current company, and different more filters are available. You can use all these filters according to your requirement. Now you can see that. And now you can see that. And now LinkedIn is only showing me this profile because he is writing QuickBook expert in his headline. That is why LinkedIn showing me his profile. So let's take one more example. For example, I am just writing here the LinkedIn automation expert. For example, I am just copying the keyword, and if someone from business expert and from recruiter, if they need automation tools training, how they can find me, just they need to write here the LinkedIn automation tools expert. And now you can see that. And on the top you can see that big fishes, and maybe you just need to click on people. And now I just need to scroll down, and now you can see that I am also available on a first page. And now you can see that. And normally recruiter select the location. For example, I am from Pakistan. If someone need LinkedIn automation tool expert from Pakistan, they will just write here the current location Pakistan, and now you can see that. my LinkedIn profile on the top. And same like this, recruiters or businessmen use different keywords for the projects. For example, I am just writing here the Java expert, and now you can see that I am just selecting the location from India, from USA, and removing the Pakistan, and now you can see that. And now you can see that LinkedIn showing me all those profiles that are using Java expert in their headline. So that is why keywords in headline is too much important. And now you can see that one more example, LinkedIn trainer and coach. If someone need LinkedIn training and coaching services, and people will write in search box, and now you can see the LinkedIn trainer and coach, and my profile is also available on the first page. So hope you understand how recruiters and businessmen find the perfect candidates with the help of keywords. And now the question is how you can edit and your LinkedIn headline. So first of all, you just need to click on pencil and then scroll down, and from here you can edit your LinkedIn headline. So hope you understand. Last thing is your LinkedIn profile should be clean and simple. Don't use here the different emoji and different things. Your profile and headline, everything should be simple so recruiter can view your LinkedIn profile and easily read your LinkedIn profile. So some step you should keep in mind. First step is, if you want to use some bullets, so use short amount of bullets, not too much bullets, and don't use long paragraph in your LinkedIn headline, in your profile summary, in education. So don't write any long paragraph because the recruiter don't like to read your long paragraph. And try to use simple language, don't use any jargon words, try to simple words so recruiter understand what kind of services you are providing and are you searching for a job or not. So make your LinkedIn profile simple and clear. So hope you understand how to add experience, achievement and headline in your LinkedIn profile. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any question related to this, then I am available here. Thank you for watching this video.